Okay, so we have not used the Big Giant 1802 tunnel motor with super long silicone shafts. I'm going to show you something right now. The Big Giant, if I try to pull by himself, he cannot pull this train by himself, and he should be really, really powerful, but he can't do it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect Dozer on the other end. And let's see if these guys could do this together. Let's try it. So we're going to add Dozer. Now let's see if I got this the right way. Okay, let's try. Okay, I'm going to have to say that I got Dozer facing the wrong way. Let's try that again. Let's select 1802. Let's select Dozer. Okay. Let's try that again. Dang, just barely. Dozer's working really hard. Dozer's super low gear. These guys are slipping pulling this train. Let's see if they can back it up. Just barely. I mean, they're working pretty hard. Yeah, you can hear them working. They're really working it. All right. So we didn't record stats for these guys, but we know that this is a very heavy train. If 1802 can't pull it, and that's one of the biggest locomotives out here, other than Ajax and Hercules and all them, this is a very heavy train.